Hey guys, Palacio here from Someways with a new video for the Mavic Pro. Sorry for neglecting not to put up videos recently, but this summer has been very busy. I've been working on this video, it's in mid-production, and decided to finish it, so I hope you guys like it. In this episode we're going to see a confrontation between the Mavic and a Seagull. The good thing is that neither side was affected by it, so I'm glad for that. Here's a quick preview. So without further ado, let's roll the intro and get into the video.
You crazy mother.
So first, let me set it up for you guys. We hit the coast of Sonoma County, the same place where we went rock climbing the other day. I was trying to get some nice footage of the rock that's in the ocean. They call this rock formation Goat Rock. My intention was to get a close-up shot of the cavity of this rocky formation. But while I was trying to do so, I was confronted by the birds that live there. So in order to protect them, and to protect the drone, I decided to stop recording at that area and headed back to shore, leaving those guys alone in their little happy place. So with that, we headed a little bit south of that area, where it was clear, and decided to take some shots of the scenery. So while doing so, a curious eagle came over, and I guess it was wondering, what was that noisy bird doing around here? So it was keeping an eye on the drone from afar, circling back and forth, making sure it doesn't mess up his territory. Now I was keeping an eye on him, making sure that he was far away and I'm trying to avoid any trouble. He went away for a while, and when I noticed, he was right back where he was, and I guess he brought another buddy with him. "Hey Steve, have you seen this guy before? He's a little bit noisy," one said to the other as they were wandering around, marking their territory. So it seemed like things were getting a little bit too crowded. And I was thinking of wrapping things up. So I went out for the last time. And I was turning back when another seagull that may have been camouflaged snuck up towards the drone and yep, struck it. Now to be honest, I don't know if they both collided or the drone activated its obstacle avoidance. All I noticed is that the image jittered, and after it landed, I was able to view the video and realize what had happened. Here is the incident in slow motion. And here it is in real time. So after that, I decided that was it. So finally, I came back to shore and called it a day. When I landed, I checked the drone, checked the propellers, checked the gimbal to see if any signs of collisions, and found it to be clean. So I was glad, very glad for that. So there's a couple things I learned about this experience. First of all, always keep an eye on the environment and respect any wildlife. And second, if you think things are getting too hairy, just bail before you regret it. So thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. I'm going to be working on a new video for the Mavic Pro that's going to highlight the new features of it since the latest firmware upgrade for the Droney, the Helix, and the Rocket feature. So stay tuned for those. So if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe. Hit the like button, share it with your friends, and hope to see you on the new video. This is Palacio once again from Sonoma iViews. Until the next time, signing out. Peace.
You crazy mother.